Pag tinitingnan mo yung vision ng kumpanya mo, alam mo, there is still so much more to get done. There's still so much potential out there. Ngayon, kung nandito ka at ang tanong mo is, ako'y isang growth stage CEO, ano na ngayon ang gagawin ko? Kino-consider mo ba yung sarili mo na growth stage CEO? Ano yung growth stage CEO? Ito yung hindi ka na startup. Ibig sabihin kahit papano, meron ka ng recurring revenue or kahit papanong sustainable or stable sales every single month. Pero, hindi mo pa rin makuha yung pinapangarap mong scale. Na para bang merong pumipigil doon sa dream mo of scaling the company, pero hindi ka naman din super survival mode na wala kang benta. Yung gitnang yan, ang tawag dyan is growth stage CEOs. Ito yung mga negosyo na maybe meron silang 5 to 10 people under them in their corporate office. Tapos they're doing approximately 500,000 to 1 million of sales a month. Kahit papano, hindi naman sila sobrang naghihikahos kasi may pambayad sila sa OPEX, may pambayad ka sa pasahod. Pero, pag tinitingnan mo yung vision ng kumpanya mo, alam mo, there is still so much more to get done. There's still so much potential out there. Ngayon, kung nandito ka at ang tanong mo is, ako'y isang growth stage CEO, ano na ngayon ang gagawin ko? Kaya importante yung tinatawag nating business audit. Bago natin malaman kung ano nga ba yung gagawin mo, kailangan ma-check muna natin what specifically in your business needs more help. Is it marketing? Is it branding? Is it sales? Is it people? Okay? The acquisition, the retention, and the equipping of talents. Is it financial allocation or is it operational efficiency? Kailangan chine-check muna natin yan before we can make moves and steps moving forward. Alam mo, in Prime Consultancy, the company that I founded 7 years ago, deals with exactly like that. We help growth stage CEOs scale without losing their soul. We help growth stage CEOs make their business bigger, pero meron pa rin silang oras sa kanilang pamilya. They can still travel and they can still go on vacation. Paano yung ginagawa is by understanding concrete strategic steps to move forward. Yan may be ang kailangan mo today. If you're interested, click the link on the bio or on the comment section and inquire today. This is Coach Migs, not just your life coach, but also your chief strategist.